Revitalize Your Libido Naturally, 30-Day Ginseng Challenge. How can you take the first step toward revitalizing your libido naturally? Ginseng. Widely used in traditional medicine, ginseng is believed to improve energy levels, reduce stress, and increase sexual desire. Types of ginseng. Asian ginseng, Panax ginseng, often used for energy and stamina. American ginseng, Panax quinquefolius, typically associated with calming effects and immune support. Siberian ginseng, Eleutherococcus senticosus, not a true ginseng, but often used for stress relief and endurance. Forms of ginseng, root, whole or sliced, can be used in teas or cooking. Powder, ground form suitable for mixing into drinks or foods. Capsules/tablets, convenient for supplementation. Liquid extract/tincture, concentrated form that can be taken directly or mixed with beverages. How to use ginseng powder. Smoothies. Add 1 teaspoon of ginseng powder to smoothies or juices. Food. Mix the powder into yogurt, oatmeal, or soups. Tea. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of ginseng powder in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Sweeten if desired. 2. Capsules/tablets. Supplementation. Follow the dosage instructions on the product label, which typically ranges from 100 mg to 600 mg, taken 1 to 3 times daily. With meals, take capsules with food for better absorption and to reduce the risk of stomach upset. 3. Liquid extract. Beverages, add a few drops or a measured dose of liquid extract to water, tea, or juice. Follow the manufacturer's dosage recommendations. Suggested dosage. Start low. If you are new to ginseng, start with a lower dose, for example, 100 mg, to assess tolerance. Typical dosage. The usual dosage can range from 200 mg to 2000 mg per day, depending on the form and concentration of the supplement. Choosing the right supplement. When considering natural libido-boosting supplements, it's essential to choose high-quality products from reputable sources. Look for supplements that contain standardized extracts and have been tested for purity and potency. Conclusion. Natural libido-boosting supplements can play a vital role in reigniting passion and intimacy in your life. By understanding the benefits of various herbs and nutrients, you can make informed decisions to enhance your sexual health naturally. Remember, a healthy lifestyle including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management also significantly contributes to maintaining a vibrant libido. Precautions. Consult a doctor. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Monitor reactions. Be aware of how your body responds. If you experience any adverse effects, for example, stomach upset, hormonal changes, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your thoughts on narcotic plants in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about medicinal plants and their applications, be sure to check out my other videos. Please like, share and subscribe.